Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is MS Collections. Thank you very much for stopping by. This is the part 2 of a series we started on how to make a panel circle blouse. Okay, as you can see in the picture, the part 1 captures the pattern drafting for this dress. It actually captures the pattern drafting and the cutting of this material, and then in this part 2 I'll be taking us through, just showing us how to come about the dress. It's a very simple dress, and I've done well to explain the process of how to make this dress. If you're new to this channel, this is me saying a very big welcome to you. Please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to the channel, and feel free to check for as many videos as you want, so that you can learn from them. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos, because I always drop amazing content. Okay, so by the end of the day, if you follow the process I explained in this video, this is what you should arrive at. Like I said, it's a very simple dress, so do well to stay tuned, okay, as I take you through how to come about this dress. Okay, so if you follow the pattern and you've cut already, this is the stage we are in. At this point, I've gone ahead to join all the pieces. Like I said earlier in the pattern, it's best you label all the pieces. So we have about 6 pieces for the front piece. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so join all the pieces, and as you can see, I didn't join to the end. Join and stop at the point where you want your cone flare to start from. Okay, so I explained that in the part 1. If you have not watched it, please check it out, and do not forget, if you want to pad your bustier, go ahead and pad it, which I did in the video, and this is what we have. This is what this looks like, and the same thing for the back piece as well. Go ahead and join the pieces, and make sure that you join them up to the point where you want the cone flare to start from. Okay, yeah, so this is what you should have by the time you are done. For the back piece, I used my hairstay and my paper gum, so feel free to use whatever interfacing you want to use. The same thing for the lining. Whatever you do to the fabric, do to the lining as well. Okay, so you can see this, guys. Yes, I'm just going ahead to show us. Yes, that's it. Make sure you join up to this point, and then of course give it a good press. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing now is to cut out my neckline. Remember I said in the beginning of the video, it's an asymmetric neckline, and I did not cut it until I was done joining. So there are different methods to this. This is also one method you can try out, and it worked out fine. So cut your neckline to whatever desired depth. The depth I used there was a depth of 7, and then I just went ahead to create the asymmetric curve, as you can see in the video. Go ahead and do same for your fabric, and then the lining, just so you don't confuse yourself, you can just go ahead and pin this front piece to your lining, and then cut out the neckline. Okay, so you know the right side to cut. So when you're done, pin your linings properly, and then stitch, and then you can trim out your neckline. I hope you get what I'm saying. And the back piece, no need to bother. It's not symmetric at the back, so that's it. Okay, so what I'll be doing right now will be to join the shoulders, which is what I tried showing. Just join the shoulders, and then you see I've already attached the lace to the neckline. I just cut it straight. So by the time you join the shoulders, go ahead and measure the length you have on both sides. That's when you join the front and the back. Measure the length you have on both sides. Just cut this fabric. It's just a straight cut. I just made it straight and then attached, and I attach all this before the lining. Then after attaching it to the dress, I'll use my lining and turn it over. I hope you get. It's very simple, guys. And the length is also as desired. Whatever length you want to use, you can make yours smaller. I think I cut mine by a little over 4 inches, almost 5 inches. So that's it, guys. And do not forget that it's a lace fabric, so I line the lace with a black doll face. You can line yours with a black satin or whatever fabric you want to use, that's fine. Okay, guys, so look at this. Look at what I have here. I've pinned the lining. I'm just going ahead to show you. And do not forget, I didn't say it earlier, I've already shaped the dress. So after joining my shoulders together, I also shaped the dress to the measurement of the client. The same thing for the lining, shape the lining to the measurement of the client, and I've pinned everything together. So every fabric has its lining piece, and that's what I'm showing you. If you can't see, just zoom in and then you see what I'm doing. I've pinned everything. Make sure you pin everything and it's very flat, okay? Very, very flat, so that you don't have any inconsistencies when you're done turning. And when you've done this, go ahead and stitch it, okay? Stitch the down. You can use 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch depending on what you want to use, okay? Stitch it. I also shorten the lining by 1/2 inch, okay, so that the lining doesn't pop out when I'm done, okay? So do that as well. And by the time I was done turning, this is what we have. The neck has been turned, the down has been turned. Guys, you need to work with your iron very closely on this project. So you can see I've begun to fix some of the cones. Okay, I didn't mention for the cone, I'm sorry I didn't capture the making of the cone. It was kind of an emergency. But for the cones, okay, I used collar gum for the cones. So I used collar gums to strengthen the cones. I already showed you how to cut the cones. Just use collar gum, and then look at how I turned it, okay? So I turned down, turned one side and brought it out through the other side. You can see that I weaved the cones, okay? So I weaved one side of the cone, okay? So it's very simple. Just turn your cone, and then you can see also the sides of the dress. You can see the sides that I weaved them. So I only turned the down of this dress and brought everything out, and then I weave the sides of the pieces of the dress, okay, to make it very simple and easy for me to turn. And then I sew the cones, brought them out with one side, and I just top stitch. That is all, okay? So you can see what I'm trying to show you. Just go ahead and top stitch carefully on top of these places, those openings you have, okay? It's very, very simple, guys. Okay, guys, so just carefully watch. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to it. So this is the back view. Like I said, just turning, weaving the sides. It's very simple, very, very simple, trust me. And just stop stitching is a very simple method you can use to achieve these cones. There are many other methods, but feel free to try this method out and give me your feedback on how it worked for you, okay? And we are done. So we are done with the dress, okay? Basically that's it. I didn't capture the fixing of the sleeve, but feel free to use whatever sleeve you desire, and we're good to go. I just also attached my zipper and finished up my dress, and this is what we have at the end of the day. Isn't this looking cute? Yes, it looks cute, and at the end of the day it made a beautiful fit on the client. So yes, guys, I really hope you learned from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos. I always drop amazing content. And check out the part 1 of this video. I'll do all to drop the link in my description box. And also, just in case I did not emphasize it, for the cones I used a color gum, but feel free to use whatever hard interfacing you have. I think I also used for the lining of for the cones, I also used a hard interfacing, okay? You can decide to use any hard interfacing you have that will just give you a stiff result, okay? And then by the time I flipped everything over, it gave us this structure, okay? So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to stay safe and have a blessed day. Bye.